Not only does it no longer form normal thunders, but it becomes a spinning supercell. This supercell then becomes even more terrifying when the vapors evaporating from the earth continue to accumulate in it, which rapidly increase the size of the supercell. Now, because the winds in a supercell are spinning faster, for this reason the webers rising from the ground also spin in it and go up in the final shape, which is called funnel cloud. There are many supercells like this, in which one or more funnel clouds are produced.